Welcome back to the ModelerManMike YouTube channel. Here we are already with another update video. Been a couple months since the last one. Figured it was time to do another one. April 2026. I can't believe how quick this goes by. It's just so fast. I have a few things to cover. Wanted to let you know, please stay tuned to the end of the video so that I'll talk more about a giveaway, the Walters giveaway, if you haven't seen the video. Just want to kind of go over a little bit of what's going on with that and how you can get signed up. First thing is I decided to go ahead and build a model in video, as so many people ask for. They're wanting to see another video like the build videos that I normally do. So I've been doing some test videos that are repair videos, and I'm planning on doing another one here on this guy. Really helping me put together the camera, the lighting, the different things that I need to be able to produce a nice build video. So I'm working on that. I decided to do the Water Street Freight Terminal from Walters. It's a nice little building. I'm looking to put that together in video, full-blown build video the way I've normally done, and I hope you guys enjoy that, because that is such a cute building, and I'm really excited about doing it. So also working on the light kit, and if you haven't seen anything on the light kit, just know that I'm working on it, and I'm still looking for people that are interested in trying to get this set up, to give me feedback on what, you know, options they'd like to see, and more than anything, building it, hoping that people will build it also and let me know where they might run into pitfalls so that I can fix those pitfalls and get people operating on it. There's a couple different versions you can get from my Patreon. There's the alpha version and the beta version. The alpha version is completely free. It uses the master and the slave, and only those two pieces. So if you want to do something completely free, that's the way to go. And I cover everything in those videos to build those breadboards. So that light kit's coming together, and it's working really nice too. So I'm really excited about that. Always wanted to get that done. Was doing it 15 years ago with PIX, and now I'm doing it with Arduino. I'm making wood signs and little small panel signs. They're about the size of a business card. People apparently use them to put on their fascia or on-off switches and things like that. And you can check out these videos on my YouTube channel. I have some information on my Patreon also about it, and I'd hope to see more people get into that and request signs for their model railroad. I'm ready to make them. You just need to let me know what you want, and I'll get it put together for you. I've decided to sell a lot of my model railroading stuff because I know that I don't have room for a layout. So a lot of the stuff that I'm going to do has to do more with like a diorama, a larger diorama maybe, that I can put my models on and put my light kit in. So a lot of the things that I have for model railroading I'm just not going to need, and multiple other items too I'm putting on eBay. And I've got an eBay page set up, and my wife's doing it, so that saves me a lot of time. But a lot of my model railroading stuff is going up there, and we're selling stuff. So, and I may very well put on some of my built models as well. I've got several models that I'll probably never use, and so I'm going to get those up there on eBay, and hope that people can buy my stuff, because it gives me more money to buy more stuff. I can never have enough stuff. So check out my eBay page. Also, because of the light kit and other things that I'm doing, and even like some of these Walters models that people have seen me build and want to pick up or buy or whatever, I've got an Amazon page, and I would really hope that people, anytime they want to buy something off Amazon, that they can buy it off of my store. I have a Amazon store. Anything that you purchase on there, I get a little bit of a piece of it, and it's not much. I mean, but it's better than nothing, you know. And if you're wanting to get something that's not on my Amazon page, but you know that it's on Amazon, you can let me know and I'll put it on my Amazon page so that you can buy it from my Amazon page. And generally, if people are wanting to buy something, like you, if you go out to Amazon, you're wanting to buy something, a lot of times a lot of other people are buying the same thing. People really show an interest. And one of the great ways to do that is memberships. On YouTube, you can go into memberships and you can sign up for a membership on my YouTube channel, and this will put you into a category where you can see special interest stuff, and I am planning on putting stuff like that together. Maybe behind the scenes footage, maybe early release videos, things that are of benefit to somebody that has a membership to my YouTube channel. And I would so much appreciate anybody signing up for a membership. I've got a few people that are on there now. Also, my Patreon. Patreon I'm using as a kind of a base. And you'd think I'd be using my YouTube channel for that, but the functionality on YouTube doesn't warrant me being able to utilize chat functions and stuff like that. And also there's things in there that I can sell. I'm able to put stuff in there that I can sell and people can buy off there. And that also has a membership. And I've got several free members that are on there now. Upgrading from a free to a paying membership is pretty easy to do on there. And so what I'm planning on doing is making content that is specific for members. Now, I'm not trying to cut out all these guys that are wanting to get stuff for free. I ain't trying to do that, but I'm definitely going to come up with some other stuff that is going to be beneficial to people who actually support me. Check out my eBay page, my Amazon page, and Patreon. If you haven't seen it, go check out the video on my YouTube channel, the Walters giveaway. And all it requires is that you comment on the video what you would want to win, and then sign up for my Patreon if you're not already. Go in there and find the chat area for the giveaway, and then put in there what your YouTube name is and what you want to win. And when I verify that you've got both of those comments, you got a comment on the video and you got something in the chat, then I'm going to add your name to the list. Man, get out there and sign up for that Walters giveaway. I've got some nice stuff there. I think I've got about everything in here I can get in here. If I've missed anything that any of us been talking about, just feel free to post it in the comments and we can elaborate more on it. But working hard to get videos up, and I hope that you guys are enjoying what I'm putting up. And just want to say to you, thanks for all the support, the supporters that have signed up for memberships especially, because I'm so appreciative of that. But you guys take care, have a good day.